up guys, and welcome back to Must Have Jailbreak theme. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to get this very beautiful theme which contains beautiful icons. This theme contains over 1000 icons and it's inspired by visionOS with dark mode support. Step into a sleek, futuristic environment inspired by visionOS where minimalist design meets dynamic functionality. Experience the visionOS theme on your iPhone with this theme. This theme reimagines your device with a floating glass icons, dynamic dark, light mode, all optimized for iPhone's vibrant display. This theme comes with a lot of icons and additions, so now I'm gonna show you how to download, install, and how to enable the theme. First, go ahead and open Zebra or Cydia or whatever you are using. I will open Cydia. Go to the sources here, make sure to add say pound repo. Of course, you will find the source below the video. After adding the repo, go to the search here and search for visionOS. Okay, as you see, this is the theme. Okay, here you will find three versions of visionOS theme: visionOS, visionOS dark, and visionOS dark. The theme that I'm using is visionOS, so let's go ahead and open this. visionOS, as I said, has over 1000 icons, carefully designed to provide the best experience to the customer. visionOS brings a more modern feel to the stock iOS icons. This theme reimagines your device with the beautiful light icons. Now go ahead and install the theme. Hit modify, press here, hit confirm. Okay, the theme has been installed. Also make sure to install Snowboard Tweak engine. It's important to install it to be able to manage and enable the themes. Without Snowboard Tweak, you will not be able to apply the themes. As you see, this is the Snowboard Theme Manager. Snowboard Tweak is a free theming engine for iOS 7 up to iOS 18, and you can download it from the Spark developer source. After installing the theme, go to the settings, scroll down and open Snowboard Preferences. This is Snowboard Theme Manager. Okay, the first thing you will do here is enable the tweak from here to be able to change the themes. Now here, go ahead and open Select Theme option. Here you will find all the themes that you downloaded. Just look for the theme you want to apply and enable it. As you see, this is the theme that I'm using. Here you will find more options. You can enable or disable any of these. Once you hit apply changes, just go to the home screen and that's it. If you want to customize the icons, you will find some useful options and icon options here. You can enable custom corner radius, custom icon scale, hide labels, hide table dots, and more. It's pretty simple and easy to enable and change the themes you want. Okay, now go to the home screen and enjoy the new theme. As you see, this theme is really beautiful and it's a free theme which contains over 1000 icons. The best thing about Snowboard Theme Manager is that you don't need to Respring your device after enabling the theme. Just enable the theme you want, then apply the changes, and that's it. So this is our theme for today's video. The theme inspired by visionOS design. Make sure to give it a try. You will find the theme source below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more jailbreak themes videos, and peace.